This video will explain the annotations used to annotate speech. We have three of these annotations available. They are foreign speech, singing, and unintelligible. The foreign speech annotation is used to annotate whenever a speaker says a word that's not in the language that you transcribe. However, you should know that if that foreign speech is understood by most speakers who speak the language in which the transcription is done, those words shouldn't be labeled as foreign speech, but should be transcribed. One example is if a speaker speaks in English and says adios, meaning goodbye in Spanish. This should be transcribed as most English speakers would recognize this word. This should be adapted to the language you're transcribing and the population speaking the language. The singing annotation is used when someone is singing. Whenever you hear singing in your task, the lyrics of the song that is being sung should be transcribed and the segment should have the singing annotation attached. However, if the singing is done in a foreign language, you should select the foreign speech annotation. The unintelligible annotation is used when you hear speech but you can't understand what the speaker says, even after listening to the segment multiple times. Please keep in mind that the words such as and which are considered interjections or filler words, should not be labeled as unintelligible.